Yes, chemical reactions of alcohols part is under consideration, and esterification, alcohol plus carboxylic acid, that part we have studied. There are a few more methods in which alcohol react with certain chemicals to give esters. Now, acyl chloride, acyl group, or sometimes it is called as acid chloride, because if this were OH group, it would become त्याच्यात क्लोरीनच्या ऐवजी OH असतं तर कार्बॉक्झिलिक ॲसिड असतं म्हणून इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ॲसिड क्लोराईड, किंवा हा ग्रुप असाईल ग्रुप म्हणून असाईल क्लोराईड. स्पेसिफिक एक्झाम्पल ॲसिटाईल क्लोराईड हे घेतलेलं आहे. अल्कोहोल प्लस ॲसिटाईल क्लोराईड in presence of pyridine also gives ester. Now let us see how. Alcohol, here I have taken ethyl alcohol, ethanol. This alcohol acts as a nucleophilic reagent. In short, we write in this manner, because lone pair of electrons on oxygen attracts this carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon is polar. We have considered this earlier also. Delta positive on carbon and delta negative on oxygen, and because of oxygen atom which is more electronegative, carbonyl group is polar. In earlier Fischer's esterification, protonation was the first step. Because of protonation, polarity of this carbonyl group that would increase, ठीक आहे, आणि प्रोटोनेशन त्या मेथडमध्ये. बट हियर इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी प्रोटोनेशन. द पोलॅरिटी ऑफ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप has already increased, is more, because of this chlorine. Now chlorine shows negative inductive effect, minus I effect. Chlorine pulls the electron density away from, means towards itself. Therefore, chlorine shows it pulls the electron density, negative inductive effect, minus I effect, that will increase the polarity of this carbonyl group. Chlorine, because of the conjugation, lone pair of electrons, there are 3 lone pairs on chlorine in the outermost shell. Lone pair of electrons sigma pi, or pi bond sigma lone pair. Because of conjugation, there is a possibility of resonance, but since the size of chlorine is more, outermost shell is 3, overlapping is not that good. Okay, overlapping is less, and therefore lone pair becomes a shared pair, and this pi goes to oxygen. That type of resonance is weak here. So resonance because of chlorine, it is not that will not take place, is weak. This is powerful, this is weak, and therefore overall electron withdrawing capacity of chlorine is more, and therefore this carbonyl group is already polar, and therefore alcohol, which is a weak nucleophile, the lone pair of electrons on oxygen, it will attack electron deficient carbon which is electron deficient in this carbonyl group, and when it attacks, it can easily attack because this carbonyl group is more polar. What we get, I can write in this fashion. Now I will use a single color for the sake of simplicity initially, although I have written this chlorine, and the moment the lone pair forms a shared pair, pi electrons will go to oxygen. Routine 2 lone pairs, they are there, and this alcohol, lone pair of electrons on oxygen, to indicate that I will use arrow pointer, and oxygen, ethyl alcohol C2H5. So one lone pair is there, one lone pair forms bond with carbonyl carbon. Because of that, positive charge on this oxygen, this step, and the next moment the the electron pair, the moment it gets shared, chlorine goes out with its electron pair. Because of the higher size, larger size of chlorine, this is easily possible, and that gives rise to, I can write here, that gives rise to the electron pair. Earlier, the pi electron pair gets shifted here because of attack of alcohol, and now alcohol, through oxygen, it forms a bond. Now the lone pair, it forms a shared pair. The moment it forms a shared pair, this chlorine goes out in the form of Cl minus. I will write it here, Cl minus ion. Routine 3 lone pairs are there, and what we get is this. Okay, 2 lone pairs as usual, and this was the bond formed by alcohol, oxygen in alcohol, positive charge. And then deprotonation. Now, since there is a positive charge on oxygen, this OH bond becomes more polar, and therefore heterolysis of this OH bond is easy, and it becomes further easy in presence of pyridine, because pyridine is a base. Structure of pyridine, we should be knowing that structure of pyridine. Aromatic lone pair of electrons of nitrogen in pyridine that pulls the H plus ions. This is the base pyridine. The lone pair of electrons of nitrogen it pulls, and therefore OH bond, which is highly polar because of the positive charge, this deprotonation, we call it as deprotonation, and because of that deprotonation, ultimately what we get, and the same pattern of writing I will use for the sake of plus H plus deprotonation, and this H plus will react with pyridine as I have shown you, and therefore because of this pyridine, the acidic H plus hydrogen in the form of H plus ions is pooled, and pyridine and H plus forms a coordinate covalent bond. Because of that, the reverse reaction, or else this reaction is of this type, equilibrium type. In the last step, after deprotonation, pyridine pulls hydrogen in the form of H plus ions, this hydrogen, and therefore now the hydrogen which is pulled by pyridine, this one, is not easily available, and therefore reverse reaction is not possible. So because of pyridine, the hydrogen which comes out in the form of H plus ions in the last step is pulled, is not given back, and therefore reverse reaction is not possible, or else it would have been this. Because of pyridine, it becomes this type of reaction. So this is how the mechanism, and this is ester, nothing but we normally write this ester in this fashion. So alcohol plus acid chloride or ethyl alcohol plus acetyl chloride gives this. If this were hydrogen, then it would be acetic acid or ethanoic acid, IUPAC, ethyl acetate, ethyl ethanoate, ester, and hydrogen ultimately which comes out, and chlorine which is given out, means that way the byproduct is HCl, but H plus from HCl is pulled by pyridine. The purpose of pyridine is to make this reversible reaction to go more and more in forward direction. So since we have studied the mechanism earlier, Fischer's, this mechanism I feel that becomes easy, or it can be explained in a bit speedy manner. Still you can, if you have any doubts, you can demand. So just now alcohol, the example specific I have taken is ethyl alcohol. It can be methyl alcohol or some other alcohol. alcohol, here it is ethyl alcohol, and acyl group containing acetyl chloride. Just now we have seen the mechanism. Once that mechanism is known, then alcohol can also react with what we call as acid anhydride. This is acid anhydride because if you take this specific example, in short, I can write 2 molecules of carboxylic acid. This specific example is going to get repeated in next topic, and in presence of very strong dehydrating agent, concentrated H2SO4 is a strong dehydrating agent, or P2O5 is a strong dehydrating agent. This is the different point we are going to consider. In short, I will write it. It gives water molecule is removed, and therefore oxygen and carbon, what remains behind is this. What remains behind is this. And even you can now, up till now, whatever mechanism we have studied, this will be as a matter of interest. Just try to write the mechanism, homework, and after that I will explain. Same thing, in presence of dehydrating agent, P2O5 normally, strong dehydrating agent, or concentrated H2SO4, lone pair of electrons on this oxygen will attack carbon, okay, and the pi electrons will get shifted to oxygen, okay, and again the pi electrons, when they go back, the earlier mechanism and whatever earlier we have studied, this much hint, and now on the basis of this much hint, I feel you should try to write the mechanism on paper and submit it on WhatsApp, and then definitely I will explain. Yes, and since just now I have explained you the mechanism of acid chloride, similar pattern, therefore I will not explain that here in details. That will be also a homework for you, and then again after you complete your homework, I will definitely explain. Just I will give you a hint again. Any one carbonyl group we can consider. Let it be this. Carbonyl group is polar, and this is a nucleophile, and lone pair of electrons will attack this carbonyl carbon. Pi electrons get transmitted, and the moment pi electrons get transmitted, and the next point, this pi, there are two rotating lone pairs. Pi electron, the lone pair, earlier it was pi bond, it becomes a lone pair. Lone pair, again it comes back, then like what we had observed in case of acyl chloride, acetyl chloride, this goes out, okay, and so this the mechanism is same, and so ultimately this gives rise to ester plus byproduct. Just I have given a hint, I have not written the complete mechanism, because on the basis of whatever we have studied up till now, on the basis of that, acetic acid to acetic anhydride earlier, and this one, the steps you should write and complete it. That will be a homework, and then in the next lecture, after a few days, when I get your answers, whatever you write, you may go wrong, it makes no difference, then I will explain it. This should be easy for you. You should try, you should use your brains. That is my aim. That is why the proper explanation mechanism is a homework for you. Thank you.